In this video, I will give you a full tutorial of the Similarweb platform, so by the end of this video you will know exactly how it works and how you can optimally use it for your business. So first of all, you will need to create your account. If you haven't done so yet, I'll leave a link to this page right here down in the description where you can go and create your free account so you can just continue with your work email or sign up with Google or LinkedIn, and after doing that you will see something like this. So I'm just going to start right at the beginning because here you're already taking some pretty important steps. So just go to click on get started and it will ask how do you plan on using Similarweb. I'll say for work. Then what is your job title? What is your company website? Now right here, if you already have a website, I recommend to actually enter it because then you will also get data based on that. Now if you don't have your own website yet, you can just add someone else's website and click next. So then click next. Now how many people work at your company? And what industry do you work in? And then your phone number. Now your work email, although you can also skip this step if you want. And finally, how did you hear about Similarweb? For example, I'll say search engine and then click next. Now here is a pretty important step. So they will ask which of these packages or plans you want. So they have the competitive intelligence, sales intelligence, and the Amazon shopper intelligence. So if you sell on Amazon, then obviously go to select the Amazon shopper intelligence. If you don't sell on Amazon, then they will already say which one may be best for you. So in this case, they say the competitive intelligence is the best fit for me. I recommend just going based off that. Although if you think, for example, that what it says right here aligns more with what you need, then you can just go and select that one. But for this tutorial, I'll go with the competitive intelligence since that's what I think most people will use. Now from there, just click on Start Trial. And now here you can invite your teammates. So you can simply invite them by entering their emails, and then you can also add more people, or you can get the invite link right here and share that with your team. I'll just select maybe later for now. Now from here, select your billing cycle, so either yearly or monthly. I'll go with monthly, and then click on next. Now here, simply enter your payment details and click Start 7-day free trial. So after starting your free trial, you will get to this page. From here, what you can first do is enter your company's website again. Now after doing that, you will see it right here, so go and click on it and then click Start. Now here, enter your competitors. So for this example, I've just added 4 of them. From there, click Finish. Now you can give your project a unique name, so I'll just click Open. And from there, you will have now created your first project. Now you can take a tour if you want, but I'll just skip this for now. Now you can see right here what project we are currently in, so it's the one that I have just now created. Now from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can already see some data. For example, your traffic share based on you and your competitors. So you can see, for example, the share for this one, haze.co.uk, is nearly 80%. So you can add up to 10 competitors right here and see exactly who has the largest share of traffic. Now you can also add some custom topics if you click create your topics. For example, I can say construction, recruitment, or recruit. And now if I click create topics, you will now see that I have the topic right here, and you can then also see your share of the voice. So in this case, it's 0%. But for example, if I have some blog posts ranking on that topic, then I will have a certain percentage of that, and you can then work towards a higher percentage. Here you can also see your year-over-year change. So in this case, it's stagnating, which is not that good. But if, for example, your website is getting more and more traffic, you can see how fast it's growing right there. Now here, what I recommend doing is also activating your first-party data. To do this, you can either use Google Analytics or Similarweb. So you can select whichever one you want, and then from there, you can see the visit duration, the pages per visit, device distribution, etc. Now in this case, it was set to weekly, but for example, if you set it to monthly, you will get some more data, such as the total visits, the duration, bounce rate, etc. You will also see your month-over-month change, and you can see your share in the last month. Now this is basically how you just compare to your competitors, and you can see some quick stats for your website, for example, as a device distribution, which is all pretty helpful. But in the left, you can also see there is a bunch more to uncover. So you have dashboards, so you can create custom dashboards, you have traffic leaders, search traffic overview, and you have a few more pre-built dashboards right here. Now in competitive trackers, if you click create a tracker, you can again first type in your website and then choose where you want to see data from and your industry, and then again define the competition. Now here you can then add your competitors, and then you will have another section where you can also track your competitors. But personally, I just use the home section for that right here, where you have your traffic share, but you can get some more advanced insights right there. Now then here you have 4 different sections. So you have website research, search intelligence, market research, and app research. Now you can see some of them have a crown next to it. What that basically means is that it is not included in your current package. So you can see this is included in the custom packages. So if you want to use anything right here that has the purple crown, in my case, I would need to talk to their sales and get a custom package. You can also click premium features right here to see exactly what you can unlock if you want. Now for now, I'll just go through whatever I do have access to. For example, a pretty important one, website analysis. So I'll just take the same website again. Now here you will get much more detailed analytics. So you can see a lot of different analytics for your website, and the home screen section, which I showed at the beginning, is a great place to have a quick overview. But if you really want to go into the details, I recommend going through these sections right here. So you can see top countries, your marketing channels, so where is your traffic coming from. You can even see if it's coming from referrals, for example. And if you are running Google Ads, then under paid search, you can see your top paid non-branded search terms. And then you can also see kind of what is working and optimize your advertisements based off that. Now this is just under the overview. Now you also have your similar sites where you can add similar sites. But there are so many different sections that you can go through right here, such as the monetization, social, display with overview publishers, referral traffic, your organic overview and paid overview, and demographics, geography, etc. Now this is just in the website analysis section, so you will get a whole lot of data if you use Similarweb. But if you want to use it for market research and competitor analysis, then I would strongly consider upgrading to the market research section right here so that you can get the market analysis. But again, for this, you will need to talk to their sales team and just book in an appointment with them. Now you can also use it for keyword research. So if you have a certain keyword that you're considering creating, for example, a blog post about, but you're not sure if it's a good keyword and whether you have a chance of even ranking for it, then that's where this comes in. It can basically see if something is a good keyword and whether people search for it or not. For example, a pretty specific one, construction recruitment as a keyword, has a volume of under 50 and under 50 clicks. Now, for some people that may not be good, but if you have, for example, a construction recruitment agency, then that could be a good opportunity for you, since it is probably going to be pretty easy to rank, although here you don't have a lot of data because it's so low volume. But if you just search, for example, construction, you will see that this is a growing volume. It has 287,000 searches per month with 76,000 clicks. Now the organic difficulty is moderate, but the paid competition is easy. So if you're looking to run paid ads on this topic, then there is a good opportunity here with a pretty low CPC range. Now what you can also see right here is the amount of volume and clicks, and then what I like to do is turn this on, and then you can see how many clicks are coming from organic and paid. So for this specific keyword, you can see the amount of paid clicks is very low, so it may not be worth advertising on this keyword. Then they will also give you some intent, so this has local intent, you can see the device distribution and other keyword ideas, as well as trending keywords and question queries. Now another very helpful section, in my opinion, is here under keyword research to go to search competitors Then here just enter your URL or someone else's, and then you can find your competitors. So you have both your organic and paid competitors. Now first for organic right here, you can see here it's mainly the same website in different countries. But then you can also find a bunch of other competitors. So you can see how many shared keywords you have, how much traffic, and the industry. You can also filter, for example, by the percentage of shared keywords, so that you can find other businesses that basically do the same thing and that are your competitors. Now this is just with organic, but you can also go to paid competitors. So if you do paid ads, then you will be able to find those as well. So for example, I've just added a different website right here, and you can see paid competitors for this one is school, and then this website right here. Now, if I want to go through everything right here, this video would be hours long, but everything is pretty straightforward. And it really depends on whether you are focused on organic or paid traffic, and basically what you are looking to do with Similarweb on which of these sections is the most helpful for you. But the one that I do really like is search competitors right here, to just find some general competitors where you can then see what exactly they are doing. You can also really go down a rabbit hole and go to their website and do a quick analysis, for example. You can see their marketing channels, their visit duration, etc. So I recommend just going through everything quickly, and then you will find out which sections are most important for you, and then you can just use those. Now again, if you would like to get started with Similarweb completely for free and get access to everything that I have showed you in this video for free for 7 days, you can sign up through the link down in the description, which will take you to this page where you can create your free account. If this Similarweb tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.